Morning, folks. Doug with Stacking Investments here, also known as the Perp. Been too busy to do the channel switch over, so still running this way. I will give you a heads up when it officially changes over. I've just been too busy to sit down and figure it out. I've been running pretty much 7 days a week with everything going on. I thought I would have had time this past weekend, but some things come up. Business is picking up with my heat and air and plumbing, and I'm just not enough hours in the day, but I got to get some videos up and running. I thought we'd revert back to the what's in the box, but it's something I'm going to change plans on this video. We're going to well, this video is going to be dedicated to three people. It's going to be AG 1776, AG Stacker, and Poor Man's Gold, and also a subscriber. According to their email, their YouTube username is Joe Blow. Got your mailer ready. They sent me an email. They wanted the 6 rolls of the U.S. postage stamps. They're taking advantage of the phenomenal deal that is. So I've got 6 rolls. I'm not going to show I got the mailing label attached already. I print them out and then I put tape over them just so the printing doesn't get a possibility of getting messed up. It's something I've always done for years when I ship stuff. And so I'm putting let me back it up so you can see. I'll give you all 6 rolls in the same shot. I have a certain way to pack this, so putting 3 rolls in. Goes in, and then we'll get the other 3 rolls going in. I'm gonna seal up the package, and then just like the others, I will add some tape over this to make sure the package is 100% sealed. We all know how the post office plays with our packages. But there you go. Got your 6 rolls. These will ship out tomorrow. I have to run out early in the morning. I got 2 major jobs to do with my business, but I will be next to a post office, and I will stop in there, and instead of putting it at my mailbox because they don't pick it up, my mail doesn't run till late in the afternoon. So I will get this to the post office. That will actually speed up the process. It'll get closer to the consolidation point here in town, versus going to my post office and then getting shipped down there anyways. I'll be closer. So you're ready to go. Ships out tomorrow. Something we'll take a look at. Brought out another beautiful piece. Forgot I had this. It was boxed away. I ran into it when I was straightening out some stuff. Forgot I had it. This is a piece of Fenton Carnival glass. You can see the oval logo right there in the center. And just thought I'd show you that. That's just a beautiful piece. Got the blue and gold and red, green, just a whole rainbow. Oh, all right. So what I want to do with AG Stacker and Poor Man's Gold, AG did a video and he was having problems with the loop, and then PMG always, when he brings out the loop, says he's going to do the perp. So I'm going to, this is like a educational video on how to use the loop with your phone camera. But basically, now this loop, and it works with any loop, but this one I got from Daniel at Coin Help You. Got this 2, maybe 3 years ago. This is my favorite loop. I started out with this one, but it's a little small. But I'll show you. What you do is you bring your loop and you have to basically touch the lens of your camera. Like I don't know if you can hear that sound, but I'm actually bumping my phone with it. So I've got it up tight, and then you just bring whatever it is you want to show, like this retailer's occupational token for 1.5 mils. And this thing's about the size of a halftime. And let me manipulate it around here. This is the Department of Finance, 1.5 mils, State of Illinois. Kind of a fun little collectible. And then smaller loop. I think this loop is the same power as the big one. I just like the big one. But again, I'm going to bring it up, and you can hear and you can see the shaking. I'm bumping it right up against my camera. And there you go. That's how you get the loop to work. Some of y'all try to do it out here while it's kind of working, and I got it, I'm just, I guess, lucky right here. Your camera has a hard time picking up, looking through the loop, and you're always trying to fumble around with that sweet spot. Like, I can get it right here. But if you just go ahead and bump your loop against the camera, just get it tight against your lens, and then that way you're not moving the loop too. You've got it steady, and then just bring your coin into focus until what you're trying to show magnifies out. That's how you do the perp. And these things are cool. These people collect these odd tokens like this. I don't know the year on this. I was setting up to do the videos, and I happened to I was like, okay, I need to show how to do the perp with the loops. And I saw this token laying there, so I put it in a flip. And actually, the camera's doing pretty good picking it up. But it helps too, because it's the size of a halftime. Actually, the camera's doing a pretty good job right there on its own. But bring the loop up, touch your camera, lens, and then just bring whatever it is up. Till you get the clear image. So anyways, let me know what you think of the token. Let me know what you think of this Fenton Carnival glass. Let me know your comments down below, and I will see you on another video.